has halted the plan by the national government to register and issue new IDs to Kenyans, famously known as Maisha Namba. The suspension follows an application filed by Katiba Institute, which sought to restrain the government from executing or further executing the issuance of the IDs. The institute wanted the government to first conduct a data protection impact assessment per Section 31 of the Data Protection Act before going ahead with the exercise. In another ruling by the judiciary that has thrown the spanner in the works for a big executive project, Justice John Chigeti has agreed with the petitioner Katiba Institute, which is against the implementation of the new digital ID rollout. The petitioner had argued that a data protection impact assessment was not done and gave orders halting the rollout temporarily. In its petition, Katiba Institute argued that the government, and in particular the Ministry of Interior, had not conducted adequate public participation before proceeding with the planned rollout. The launch of the Maisha Namba program was set to commence this month. The Maisha Namba includes a unique personal identifier (UPI), a random and unique identifier for individuals. The new system uses biometric data, specifically the iris or fingerprints, for verification. If enrolled, the identifier will serve Kenyan citizens from birth and enable them to access various government services using a single identity. This means, therefore, that the UPI will serve as the NHIF number, NSSF number, and a driving license number. In the event of death, it will also serve as the death certificate number. The program, however, has been met with public criticism. In addition, the Maisha Namba program has also faced various setbacks. The registration exercise, initially set for October, was postponed with no reasons given, just a few hours after the kickoff announcement was made. The postponement came to an end in November when the government announced the commencement of the pilot phase. According to PS Professor Julius Bitok of Immigration and Citizen Services, new ID applicants and those seeking replacement would be issued with Maisha Namba during the pilot phase. The case will be mentioned on February 6, 2024. George Maringa, TV 47, Nairobi.